Welcome back to goldfries. In this video, we'll be looking at the Klevv Bolt X. This is the kit that I used in my small form factor build that I published just yesterday. So a stick like this has 8 gigs of RAM. Mine over here is a 3200 MHz CL16 and it retails at RM149. It is definitely something that I would recommend to anyone who wants an affordable kit and does not want RGB LED. As for the overclock, I managed to overclock it to 3466 MHz, but it's just a slight performance increase, nothing much to benchmark or compare about. Overclock being overclocked, it is just a bonus. Overall, good RAM kit, gold badge from me. And that's all for now. A simple video to tell you about this RAM kit that's available in the market. That's all for now. Thank you for watching guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Do remember to subscribe to my channel if you haven't, and bye bye.